Okay, so our problem here is find the solution of the square of dy over dx plus y equal to x squared with initial value of y of 0 is equal to 0. Okay, let x be from 0 to 10 here, no? And let us use the end solve of the Mathematica here. So this is the square of the uh, first derivative of y with respect to x that we have plus y here. Then plus x squared. So we have the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 0. So our x here is from negative 10 to 10. So we have the domain here negative 10 to positive 10. So by plotting the solution of the differential equation, we have this plot. Okay. Then for the x and y values here in the table, so we have this. So the corresponding values of x here, for example, if x equal to negative 10, y equal to 39. If x equal to negative 9, y equal to 31.6214. If x equal to negative 8, y is equal to 24.9849. Okay. We have by using the grid table here, if x equal to negative 10, y equal to 39.0388. If x equal to negative 9, y equal to 31 0.6214. If x equal to negative 4 here, and if x equal to negative 8, y equal to negative 24.9848. Okay, so all the values of x and y here from negative 10 to positive 10 here. Okay. Okay, so by using the Jupyter lab here, okay, so let us solve the square of y prime plus y equal to x squared with the condition here y of 0 equal to 0. So let x is equal to 0 to x equal to 10 here. Okay, so by using the Jupyter lab here, so we have the code for of the Jupyter lab. Okay, then we have the solution of x and y here. So by plotting the solution of x and y, now start here from 0 to x. All right. Now our problem before in Mathematica, that is from negative 10 to positive 10. Now here we have from 0 to 10 here. So by plotting all the x and y here points, so we have here from 0 to 10. Okay. Then by using the MATLAB here, so we have also this by using the MATLAB. So we have the same plot here. Now this is from 0 to 10, from negative 2 to positive 2 here. So solution to y prime, square of y prime plus y equal to x squared with y of 0 equals to 0. So we have the color blue here is for the positive branch, and we have the green color here for the negative branch here. Okay.